Alright, Steph here from Ford Bronco, and in today's video I'm just doing a quick overview of my new Viofo A139 Pro4K dash cam. I'm super impressed with this, but I kind of just really quickly put it in and went for a test drive last night. So I just want to give you guys first impressions because I use a dash cam differently than most people. For me, the safety of a dash cam recording an accident or whatever is kind of like a bonus, whereas when I'm off-roading or doing Bronco videos or on a trip, I really like having a dash cam because if anything cool happens and I'm not filming, well, at least this is filming all the time. So I want to be able to use that footage. I was doing that with my other dash cam, but I never end up using the footage because the quality wasn't there. So I started looking up for 4K options. Now these just came out. You can only get it on their website right now, but I believe that they're going to be on Amazon next month. Either way, I'm going to have links in the description of where you can get this camera. Super impressed. I got the front and the rear option. I wasn't sure how the rear would be with the big spare tire, but as you can see, it's pretty good. You can still kind of see, and if I catch something really cool, I'll use the footage, but that's more for the regular dash cam. If somebody rear ends me or whatever, at least I'll have the footage. And a funny thing is that when I installed it, I never look at instructions all that closely. So when I installed it, I did put it upside down, and I was going to change it today. But earlier this morning with my coffee, I was going through the app. I saw that you could actually flip it. So I didn't even have to uninstall it and reinstall it. I was able to fix it through the app. The app has a lot of options that I really like. It connects really fast through Wi-Fi to your phone. That way, if you want to immediately download some videos, you can. It's very easy. All the controls are within reach, but I did get the Bluetooth button and I installed it right down here. It's just a sticker and it's a little battery. What that Bluetooth button does is that if I see something kind of cool or whatever and I want to lock the footage so it doesn't loop over it, I just press that and it locks that video. Now the reason that's great for me is there's a few videos that I actually want to do which require a lot of just random clips. Very happy with the daytime. I mean, you can't beat 4K footage in the daytime. You can see license plates, you can see details. It has a built-in GPS, it has all that stuff. I even got a polarizing filter for it. I didn't install that yet, so you'll get to see all that in the in-depth review. You can see that for at night, this is quite impressive for a dash cam. I will tell you, one of my only regrets is that I got the 2-channel version, which I can do front. I have my front 4K camera, and then I got my 1080p rear camera. I wish I went for the 3-channel version because then I could have a in-cab camera so that like right now I'm using my GoPro. I'm still going to use GoPro for different angles and whatnot, but it would be nice to have the built-in third camera inside for an inside view. And basically, I'll have a full YouTube setup built into the Bronco, which I think is amazing. I did send them an email to see if I can include it afterwards because the inside camera optical plugin is there, but I don't know if my actual camera can record 3 channels or not. I will put it up on the screen once I get the answer. But I did get the hardwire kit, so now that I know how good these are, I will hardwire this camera right to the battery so it can take footage all the time. There is actually a mic plugin on the camera. Okay, so right now you're listening to audio from the actual dash cam, so it's not too bad, but there is an actual mic plugin, so I am going to get a little like a lav mic or something, and I'll put it right above my mirror. That way if I do decide to make an impromptu video, I will get some good audio. So highly recommended. To me, this is a game changer. I'm actually really excited. Just the fact that I'm going to have a camera at all times to be able to make videos is just great. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.